Right, yes, make it quick.
Make it quick?
Yes, we can get inside the van because I'm cold. It's freezing, man.
Just a second, come in, Kev.
Yeah.
Just a second.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
Like that. If I touch the stat sheet, I'll have ink on my fingers.
No, you won't. It's in a plastic sleeve.
You spoil everything, don't you?
Come on.
Right.
Hurry, come on, hurry up. Get it done. Come on.
We've got a camper van, Kev.
Yeah, we've got Swiss Select. Right, come on, let's have a quick look. God, I want to get inside it.
Kev, you're not giving the viewers the justice.
All right.
No pain, no gain. It's just cold, isn't it?
My hand's dropping off.
Yeah, we've got a camper van, right, let's go make a cup of tea. Now,
Hang on. That's better.
Are you done?
Yeah, come on.
Have you seen the state of you now? You've got your gloves off. You don't even want to have a look, to be honest. So, this van is only about 7 months old. It's a Swift Select 184. What a good looking van.
Nice van, nice wheels.
That's a nice looking van, Kevin.
It's nice looking. Nice
Look at the
well.
colour.
Yeah.
It's Aquaman Marine.
Grey.
No, it's not grey. It's got that aqua-y type of feeling, that sea vibe.
Aquarine blue.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, aquamarine.
Yeah, blue.
No, aquamarine is a slight shade of blue, but it's not blue, it's like
That's
grey.
alright, that's stripes aquamarine then, yeah, come on.
Yeah,
That'll
look.
do.
See?
Yeah.
Aquamarine green.
You do some waffling.
See? That's what it is. Now, Swift Select, my memory serves me right. When Autocruise were brought out by Swift, Swift did the first camper van, called it an Autocruise Select. And then when they phased out the Autocruise, they called it the Swift Select. Don't quote me on it, but I think I'm right. Not often I'm wrong, Kev, is it? Every day, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's done 4,000 miles. It's, guess what? 9-speed automatic, Kev.
The new automatic.
Yeah.
It's got the new dash on as well. I like the new dash.
6.3, we'll have a look at that in a minute. Have a walk around. 6.36 metres, like the sunny thing at the top there.
Yeah.
It's a good looking van, this is, Kev.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at all this.
Ooh,
Do you like that?
very nice.
3,500 kilograms, Kevin. Did I tell you 6.36?
Yeah.
Euro 6, 2.2 litre diesel. Freshwater filler, electric hookup, cassette toilet. It's a good looking van, Kev.
Wastewater drain there.
Yep.
Water heaters there. Close it. We got a reverse camera.
Right, Kev, outside barbecue point, outside shower, alloy wheels. It's got a cello TV.
I've got one in mine. I bought one.
A cello?
Yeah.
Okay. Freshwater capacity, Kev?
Oh, 60 litres.
59. Wastewater?
69, I think. Go on.
Wastewater?
60.
41.
Yeah.
Awning
Yep.
as well. Let's have a look at
Colour
this.
coded awning, really, isn't it?
It's really nice, Kev. It's really nice. Let me just do the step for you.
Yeah.
We've still got the plastic on the carpet.
Yep.
Right, come on, let's get in because it's cold, Kev. Oh, well, look at this. We've got a new control panel here, Kev. Same as the old one, but new. Look at that, it's all different.
Yeah, that's good. Easy,
Yeah.
nice easy one.
That's awning light. That's our lights. So look, if you just look over there, Kev. Oh, hang on. Oh, they fade out. Look.
Yeah.
Fade out. Well, them levels. Oh,
Yeah.
we're low on leisure, aren't we? Fresh water, wastewater. That's fresh water because there's the bits at the top. Wastewater is the bit that goes out the bottom. Leisure. We've got the Truma heater. What's that, Kev? Oh, we don't know.
We don't know.
Let's get a bit of light into the plane. Do you want to show the cab off then, Kev?
Yeah. There's the cab.
Make some effort.
It's God, there's no phone connected. We haven't got a phone connected, Jason.
There will be.
There will be.
It says there, connect to Bluetooth.
There's your automatic gearbox.
That's a nice looking cab, Kev.
Yeah.
I like check the steering wheel out.
Yeah, and what I do like about the new dash, Jace, turn the ignition on. Right. You can actually see the speedo. Yeah.
Right.
And you do get a digital readout on the speedo as well as being able to see it.
Look what's changed, Kev.
Yeah. That's nice, isn't it?
That's nice, isn't it? And same again here, Kev, hang on. Oh, hang on. It's a concertino of blinds.
Yeah, it's like a Chinese fan, isn't it?
Why Chinese?
Them Chinese fan things.
It wasn't just the Chinese,
that the
Kev.
women waft themselves with.
Waft themselves. So, it's looking like a 4-berth then, isn't it?
I'd say so, yeah.
Ah, for Peter's sake.
Or is it?
I'm going to get it over and done with now, Kev. I am. Well, just don't stop me, Kev. Oh, God. Stop me, Kev.
Wait up forward to touch it.
Don't stop me, Kev. Oh, Kev. Kev, stop me.
2 hours later.
Kev, I can't get the bloody thing out. Oh, you have to press the button down.
Help.
I'm going to put it in there, Kev.
Yep.
And then I'm going to drop the table like that, Kev. Oh, I'm going to pull that down there like that, Kev. Oh, hang on, what's going on here?
Got to lift it up a bit.
It's not lift you up a bit.
Yeah. Is it slidey out a bit
Oh,
then?
look at the lights down there. Oh, yeah, it could be, Kev.
Could be slidey out a bit.
Oh, yeah. I tell you what, it's cold, isn't it?
It's cold, isn't it? Yeah.
Right, now I'm going to wreck all the carpets.
Now I'd say, looking at that, because there's 2 thingies on that. Look,
Oh, thanks for describing that, Kev. 2 thingies, isn't it?
look, these 2 luggy things here.
Yeah, I probably correspond with these luggy thingies here.
Yeah.
Oh, I've had one of these before, Kev. Hang on. I'm having a logistical... Right, see, that's going to pull out like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That
Is going to go over there.
yeah, that longy one.
Hey, is that going to go on there? Like so.
Yeah, I think so.
What do you mean you think so? You only think so because I've done it for you.
That one goes on there.
Yeah. That's going to go there, Kev. Oh. Yeah,
Yeah,
it is.
that goes there. Yeah.
Hang on, Kev.
And this goes there. Oh, I've done half the job for you. Right, there you go. I did, didn't I? Look, I put that cushion.
There you go.
I multitasked then. I held the camera. Did you see me? I held the camera and I slid that across there. Multitasking.
You're thinking a woman now, don't you?
Women say they can multitask, don't they?
Don't argue, Kev.
No.
Don't argue. Right, so there we go. What have we got? 2 berth there, haven't we? Decent size. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like this interior.
Yeah.
Seems very sporty, Kev.
Yeah. Dum dum.
You don't realise, folks, how cold it is in here.
It is.
My hands. Oh, for Peter's sake again, Kev. Right, so they go back in there.
I think we should finish now for Christmas.
You never started, Kev. Did you?
No.
Alright, let's get out in there. You're going away, aren't you?
I'm going away for Christmas in van, huh?
So, Kev, are you doing Christmas dinner in the van?
I am.
I want a video for your Christmas dinner in a van.
I will
That's
do.
what we want.
I've got my little Christmas tree, my lights. And
That did go in there, didn't it?
yeah.
It's not getting in there now, Kev, is it?
What have you done, Jason?
It's not what I've done, it's what you did by
I
sliding.
think you've got that the wrong way around. Turn that the other way around. That's it. Now you're thinking. Right, because
Oh,
I think that cushion will slide in them, in between them things. Yes, now you're cooking.
yeah,
Now
yeah, and then that'll slide.
Yeah, now you're cooking on
Put
gas.
that one that
Yeah,
way.
Yeah. Yeah, they're good at jigsaw puzzles.
Don't get me started on jigsaws, they're contagious, aren't they?
Yeah.
So that goes down.
What's that?
Are we in?
Yeah, you're in.
Right,
that
slide
bit
that back.
Yeah.
Like whammy, yeah? I want to look what's under here, Kev.
Storage.
So there's your fill your fresh water and it goes down there. Yeah. They've done the same as well, haven't they? They've used a pump for putting the water in.
Yeah.
What's wrong with a bloody old Kev?
Yeah, exactly. It's an underslung tank, I know it.
What's that mean?
There's a tank underneath the van.
Right. So
That might be a tank heater then, Jason. If your tank's underneath, it's probably got
That
a tank
is.
heater. That switch that you didn't know what it was.
oh, for Peter's sake, I broke that.
You broke that, didn't you?
Yeah.
No, so it only flips back on.
Oh.
Everything Jason touches turns to scrap.
No, Kev, no, anything like that.
That's why we have engineers. Oh, flip it back on.
Put that in there.
That's it. There you go.
Got it.
He's done it. He's mended it.
There you go, look at that. You're supposed to... Because it's all new, Kev, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you know seat swivel?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because they always swivel. What's his swivel?
Could get you doing something. I do like the upholstery, Kev.
Yeah. There we go. Swivelly seat.
Swivelly seat.
Swivelly seat. Yeah.
Okay.
Glides. Oh, there we go. Locked in place.
Just noticed it, Kev.
Yeah. Extending table.
Yeah.
So when you sat on the swivelly seat,
Look at that. Oh, hang on. Broke that as well. You just lock them into place like that. Yeah.
when
There you
these
go.
seats are swiveled, so
Yes.
you've got a full size table.
That's ideal, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right.
And there's your TV.
Cello.
Cello.
2 bolted seats. Okay, let's move along. We're getting good size, Kev.
Yeah.
Because we're making use of this over there as well.
Yep.
Good size. Oh, look at that top. Oh.
Yeah, you're in C-taps. It's got a fetish for taps.
Oh, let's put a light on there.
What's in there, Jess?
Hang on. What's in there?
Cupboard.
Storage, Kev.
Storage.
Yeah, storage. And then we're getting
Central kitchen.
3 burner hob. Good size single. I like that bit there.
Yeah, good size thing.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Put your soap and things or whatever. Your cloth or whatever.
Combined oven grill.
There you go.
Couple of more storage down there.
Yeah, more storage, Kev. Down there. Do you want to do it? Do you want to do
Hang on. Look.
Oh, yeah.
It's a bifold door.
Oh, you do the bathroom, Kev.
Right, so we've got a nice shower room. Obviously a wet room because it's a wrong conversion. Nice and bright, Jason. These sunglasses in here.
It isn't it? Oh, that's splashback at the back.
Yeah, and then your tap comes out and that's where you put it for when you want to use your shower.
I think people are listening to us, Kev. Small fridges.
Yeah.
Small fridges. Don't you think?
Small fridges.
No. Small sinks.
Small sinks.
They're listening to us,
Yeah,
Kev.
small wash basin, yeah. That's all you need. Quick wash, clean your teeth. Oh, that would clean with a cup like that.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Nice height, isn't it?
It is.
Voila.
Don't have to bend down to get your wine out of the fridge.
Oh, lovely salad box for all my salads there, Kev.
Nobody eats that much salad. That's your storage, isn't it?
Yeah, we've got a nice look at that. Let's hang on, let me just dive in a bit more. Look at that little roundy thing.
Pedestal table that goes there. And that all.
Yeah, I know it gives you the old, but I can't find the pole.
The pole. It could be under one of them.
I'm having a look. Well, while you're here, Kev, heater, pump,
Sergeant
dampener,
unit.
sergeant unit. There's your drain. I'll lift that up actually now and drain that down.
There's no water in it anyway, is there?
Well, there won't be now I've drained it down. Well, let's move over to this side, Kevin. What have we got?
Storage.
Storage, yeah. Plenty of storage. We obviously access it that way as well.
There's your
Oh,
pole.
there's a pole.
There's the pole.
I'm looking for you. So, drop that down. Do you know when you think, I've got no nails, Kev, I cut them the other day.
Yeah.
I was stuck in a traffic jam and I thought, you know what? While I'm sitting here, I'm going to cut my nails. So I cut my nails. Never waste any time, Kev. Always use a negative for a positive. You see?
You're doing some waffling. Really,
Hang on. Look at that.
It's good, isn't it?
Pull that out. Take that out. I'll put that back in there, Kev.
Yep.
Put that back down there. Slot in.
Put the bung in.
Put my bung in. You want a bung, don't you?
Put your table back.
And then what I'm going to do now, that pull out,
Yep. Slide that forward.
slide that, and then we slide the other one forward
Same
as
on the
well.
inside makes a largeable.
It's a transverse bed, doesn't it, Kev?
It does.
Speakers in the back.
Yeah.
Why tapping the roof ceiling?
Oh, like this.
The fairy stuff.
Yeah, the fabric they've covered it with, yeah.
Yeah, and little lockers. There we go.
Plenty of storage.
There is, isn't there? Yeah, we've got TV aerial there, so you can put TV in there as well.
Thing there to put the telly.
And then look, these are, see the little, people might not know that, see that? It's a dimmy.
Oh.
See? Look, dimmy.
Dim and dimmer.
Dim and dimmer. Speakers, skylight. Nice and simple there.
More storage here.
Yeah.
What have we got in here? Oh yeah, there's your TV aerial, Jason. Oh look, Jason, you want to turn that off, won't you?
Yeah, I don't like having that. It's a pet hate of mine, that, having that switched on like that. TV aerial. So there we have it, Kev.
Oh, what's them for, Dave?
What have you done now?
There's some wires there.
Yeah, that's for the that's for the
You haven't got a clue, have you?
no, it's for the thingamajig.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's move on.
Right, moving on.
So it's a 2023. What are you doing now?
Close the cupboard.
Are you right there?
Yeah.
2023 Swift Select 184. You get options with this van. You get options. You've got a living area, which could be made up into bed, which could stay as a bed.
Yeah.
We've got a great positioning for the fridge. Way around, Luke.
Yep.
Around. Great position. Great prep area. For making your sandwiches, doing your cooking, doing a bit of everything. Gives you options. Compact fridge. And I like how this. No, I'm losing the plot. I'm getting frostbite, Kev.
Shower room.
Shower room. Adequate for what? That's a good size, actually, Kev. Adequate for what you want.
Yeah.
Yep. And also, if you put the light on, you can get suntan at the same time, serving the purpose.
Very bright, isn't it?
Now we're moving along to.
Little storage things there.
Oh yeah. Simple but effective, isn't it?
Yeah. I like the skylight.
We've got two skylights as well, because we've got this one.
Yeah.
No, they don't.
No, they don't.
No. You've lost me flow now, Kev.
Oh look.
I like how you get the cupboard and then you're getting that angled as well, so you don't bang your head. So, and it's giving the feeling of more space.
You're always banging your head anyway.
It is tight here, but what do you expect if you're getting a decent sized dinette and there? This makes a difference because obviously it's giving you the more prep room, but as I showed you before, quite easy to set up as a bed. Great dinette. You've got the table, the chairs swivel.
Quite good with the bed makeup cushions being there as well, because you're not taking up any storage space.
No, but if you didn't want to make that bed up, you could leave them at home and you've created yourself more storage.
Yeah.
See that? Always thinking, Kev.
Yeah.
Always thinking.
Up here thinking down there for dancing.
These are around about, I think, the 75 grand. I think you're paying £4,000 extra if you're getting the automatic.
Yeah.
On it, which is this one's got the automatic. And it's a great camper van for people. Great for two people.
Yeah.
You can go away because you're not cramped up because we're having the dinette and also having the bedroom. Great if you want to take grandkids or the kid or a couple of kids with you. Perfect there.
I think it'd make an ideal 3-berth. I know it could be a 4-berth, but I think it'd be better as a 3-berth.
Yeah. Yeah, I think you're right, you know, 3-berth.
Yeah.
But it's perfect for two people.
Yeah.
Loving the upholstery. So there you have it, the Swift Select Campervan. Like, subscribe, and I've got much more to say, Kev.
Sun's coming out.
I know, but I'm freezing.
I don't know, stop getting any warm, is it?
Freezing, Kev.
Come on.
Little hands, let's go.